Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this green smoky eye look using kohl pencil.
So I've already done my base and I'll straight away move on to my eyes. So I'm going to take the lightest shade from my eyeshadow palette and I'll apply it all over the eyelids. Next I'm taking this light grayish tone and I'm going to apply it on the crease. Next I'm going to take my green color kohl pencil and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. It's really important to keep one thing in mind while using an eyeliner or a kohl pencil as an eyeshadow, that it shouldn't be smudge proof, because if it is smudge proof then you won't be able to blend it. And to blend it smoothly, you should be using a kohl pencil or an eyeliner which has a slight powdery texture to it, because only then it will mix with the other color and blend it very smoothly. Next I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my outer corners, and you can even use a black kohl pencil if you want, and obviously it shouldn't be smudge proof, only then you will be able to blend it with the green color that you've applied earlier. I'm going to apply some more green color on my eyelids, as I want the green color to mainly stand out, and it should give that really nice brightened look. So that's why I'll apply a little bit more. I'm going to take some more gray color that I had used earlier for my crease line, and I'm going to just apply it very softly on my crease and blend it out with the green color, because I don't want very harsh sharp edges. I want it to look very smooth, so I'll just softly blend it with the green color. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to take the same green color and the black eyeshadow that I had used earlier, and I'm going to just very smoothly, softly, very little bit of it, I'm just going to put them and mix them together. And you can even skip this step if you'd like, because some people don't like to make their eyes look very bold. If you want, you can just simply put on some black kajal if you want, and in fact even if you skip kajal and just dab on some mascara, even that's gonna give a really nice look. To give it a little glam look, I'm going to apply this silver shimmer on my inner corners, and I'll take it till the center and just apply it very smoothly. You can even skip this step if you would like, but since I want to make it a nice party glam look, so I'm going to apply this. So this is the final look, guys. After completing my eye makeup, I've put on my lipstick, my blush and my highlighter, and this is like the final complete look that I did.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it and you're definitely going to try this look. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!